So, how do you check your battery health on Android phones? So, to start off, you can go to settings. Now, here you just need to go through battery and device care. So, it solely depends on which phone you use, but for this one, I'm using the Samsung. So, for this one, you just need to click on the battery, and as you can see, you can check on the usage and we can check the estimated time of use. Now, another way of finding out the battery health of your phone is to install an app. So let's install an app. This app is called AccuBattery. And if we just search it up and see it's here and just need to install that. So I'll just wait for it to install. So after the installation is finished, you just need to open it up. Now here, there has to be a calibration going on here. So you just need to put in your charger. And as you can see, it will automatically read it. Okay, once it's done, just hit continue. And as you can see, it has already gotten my data's information. So my phone's data is here and click continue. Now, as you can see, we can check on the health. So the battery health is not yet detected. So this usually can be detected after a full cycle. So it means if you do charge it again, the AccuBattery would be able to determine the capacity of your current battery. And thus, you'll be able to see your battery health. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.